Hi, sorry for the delay, everyone. So we will be talking to Ritvik Sahore. Hi,
Hi.
my internet's not working properly.
No, it's all right, yaar. I've been having the same issue. I think sab use kar rahe hain, so it's getting a
Yeah.
little, yeah, bad here.
So
Hi,
how are you?
everyone watching this. I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
I'm also good. How are you spending your lockdown?
I've been spending it quite normally, only the usual stuff, sleeping a lot, reading, eating a lot,
Hmm.
trying to work out. And for the last 2 weeks, I've been shooting stuff at home.
Oh, nice.
Um, yeah, doing a few things.
Yeah,
Um,
people are surely missing, of course. So keep on sleeping.
trying to do
And
stuff.
I remember seeing you like, I don't think you take a break. I mean, I remember seeing you like from one thing to moving on to another. So I think that is really good. So,
It feels nice to keep doing stuff. Yeah.
the twist, like it's been talked a lot about, and it's such a sweet short film. Like in half an hour, you're telling such a nice story. How is it being a part of this? And also, it's been like releasing after 2 years. So
Yeah.
how has all of this been?
Yeah, as you said, we shot it 2 years ago, and I remember we shot in Goa, and it was so much fun. We were going on the beaches, and because we did a lot of rehearsals, and I went through the choreography in Mumbai itself. And in Goa, we just shot and we used to go out for dinners and, go out, chill, walk on the beach. The whole team, we were like a small family. And the director Uttara, she loves food and she knew a lot of places in Goa to, hang out at. So we had a lot of fun. We were partying after every day of shoot.
Nice, and this is
Yeah.
Goa, so had to be
Yeah,
fun.
yeah, yeah.
So, I think Flames is one of the projects that you've worked in, and which has got a lot of audience. Like they love Flames. So,
Hmm.
what was it that made you become a part of it?
Before Flames, I had just gotten done with Lakho Mein Ek, and Lakho Mein Ek, um, it was something different for me. And it after the show got over, I just had this feeling, that this empty, gloomy feeling. I don't know why, but I had it after the show ended, and I just wanted to, do something light, something um, which is a little fun, where I can have fun on sets and be a little different on screen also. So I think after Lakho Mein Ek release, after 2 months of its release, I got the script of Flames,
Yeah.
and yeah, someone from Timeliners called me. His name is Akhilesh, and so he called me. He sent me the script, and it was the first draft. And I remember saying no to the script because I didn't like it as much. And then he was like, नहीं नहीं रुको रुको मेरे पास एक और draft आएगा. This is मतलब बहुत uh, नया है ये. Give us some time. We'll work on it and we'll send you another one. So I was like, cool. So, and I had planned a trip with my friend to Himachal. So we left for the trip. And then they called me saying, ek aur hai ye wo. So I was like, cool, I'll read it. I read it, I loved it. And I told them, Arey, this is amazing. I'm on board. And they're like, super, so let's start shooting from the 24th. So I was like, but I'm coming back from the trip on the 23rd. And the shoot was in Delhi, I live in Mumbai. So I was like, I won't be able to, just jump and start shooting.
Yeah.
So they also had a deadline. So they pushed it a day for me. They pushed the shoot to 25th. I landed in Mumbai. I unpacked my bags, packed my stuff, left for Delhi the next morning. Did a few reading sessions. So I barely had time to, work on the character and stuff. So I don't know. I just followed the script and just felt the things that were written in the script, and it just happened. And we were having a lot of fun on set. The whole cast and crew. So it was amazing. So that's how
Yeah,
went on board on things.
the cast matters a lot. And like I
Totally.
see a very few YouTube series, and this was one of the series that I actually followed. Like I really liked it.
Oh wow.
What will happen next? So I think that was great, and I'm very happy that you said yes to it. So
Thank you so
before
much.
we jump to the next question, if you want, you can just reply to a few fans.
Sure, I'd love to. Yeah. I almost always miss out on, talking to them in all the lives. I'll just address them. Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining in. And there are a few friends of mine as well on this live, Meghna, Deveshi, and a few other people. So, hi, guys.
Okay, so was acting always like on your list? Like this is something you really wanted to do, or it happened by?
So, acting as a career option was never on my list, or as a profession. Acting. So in school we used to have annual day जो होता था हमारा. So we used to have
Yeah.
dance, drama, and singing. So dance used to be Bharatnatyam, and boys were not allowed to take part for some reason. So only girls were supposed to uh, take part in dancing. Singing, I never thought I was good at it, so I never went ahead with it. And then
Yeah.
the only option I was left with was drama. So I used to do drama, and somehow I always used to manage to get the um, lead in the play.
Yeah.
And it used to be a lot of fun. I used to love the rehearsals, and I mean, we were doing it. I was doing it with all my friends, so it used to be fun. Staying back after school, rehearsing, cracking
Yeah.
jokes, and eventually, obviously, performing in front of your parents. So that used to be, and I think I didn't realize this then, but I was a very shy and an introvert kid. If you would ask me to go up on stage and say a few words, I would start shivering and panic. But when I was acting in the play, I used to do it comfortably. It never occurred to me. So, so yeah, I think that's something I found out later. And then Ferrari Ki Savari happened. I was spotted in the mall, and
Yeah.
I just did a few workshops for the film. Went through some cricket training, and Ferrari Ki Savari happened, which was my first film. So yeah, and since
Yeah.
then I started enjoying the process, and it's just something that I kept
That
doing.
Yeah, and I
Yeah.
think like be it TV series, like YouTube series, be it films, be it short films, you're doing everything. So what would you say is your favorite? Like what would you prefer, working on a short film or a series?
Uh, for me personally, it is films. I enjoy doing films, long format films where you can delve into the character and do
Yeah,
different stuff. And obviously, also why I say films is because I love web series and short films as well. But films, when you see the end product on a big screen, um, with so many people who've come to the halls, it is a
yeah,
different experience altogether when you're at the premiere or at a screening. Um, Web series and short films too have that impact, but I somewhere feel that theaters have a bigger impact in that sense. So that's what really thrills me.
Okay, I will ask your fans to drop in questions, and meanwhile, we play a quick game, very short game, and
Sure,
we just wait for them to drop in questions. This
sure.
is, I will just give you names of your co-stars and friends, and you have to tell me an alternate career for them, like not acting, but what should they
Okay,
do apart?
okay.
Okay, so first is Ehsas.
Essas, I can't imagine her in any other alternate career because she's so good at what she does. So I think she's killing it. I don't think only acting or anything related to filmmaking, direction, production. But
Okay,
hi Ayush, अरे
Sonakshi.
भाई आप military. Ayush is here.
Yeah,
The
he's
heartthrob, yeah, web series के heartthrob. Sorry, you were saying
yeah, Sonakshi.
Sonakshi. Sonakshi, I think Sonakshi would be a very good model.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. Shivam.
Shivam. Shivam he would have his own travel company. He loves
Oh,
travel and tourism, so and that is something he really wants to do in life. So I think yeah.
okay. Rashmi.
Rashmi, I think Rashmi would be a great photographer or someone because she has a really good sense of aesthetics and she clicks some amazing pictures. So I think, yeah, really good photographer.
Okay. Tanya.
Tanya would be alternate career for Tanya. Tanya would be a very good writer.
Oh,
A writer, yeah. Yeah, a writer.
Sharman Joshi.
Oh, Sharman sir. Sharman sir. I don't really know. I think a comedian.
Comedian.
I don't know. Malab, it's been too long since I met him. So
Okay.
I have really faint memories. But Ayush is saying, मेरा भी
Yeah,
पूछो मैं क्या करूँगा. Ayush.
I was coming to that.
Ayush. Again, Ayush also. I don't think I can imagine him, doing anything else. Because now also I keep seeing his Instagram videos and he's killing it. He's, coming out with new content every day and amazing stuff. I laugh at it. His knock wale videos and all that. So I think,
He's one of the few people who you actually want to go back, check what he's doing, what he's up to. So yeah.
exactly. And also, I remember meeting him at apna IIT ka. There's this fest called Moodai. And
Yeah.
I had seen his work and I knew him and I was a fan of his work. But when I met him, it just felt so warm. It was like हम पहली बार मिले थे लेकिन ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम बहुत टाइम से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं. He's just so warm and so approachable that way. It just felt really nice. So हम उसके बाद कभी मिल नहीं पाए, but I really hope once this ends, I'd love to meet him again and maybe work together someday.
I hope he's listening.
Yeah, I hope he's.
Lastly, Boman Iran.
Oh, Baman sir would be a very good musician. He is a very good musician. A singer. He's an amazing photographer, and he'd be an amazing stand-up comic.
Okay.
He's got a terrific sense of humor.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen excerpts of that. I mean, during interviews and all, he's quite funny.
He's too good.
Yeah. Ayush is saying I love you.
Ayush, I love you too. We all love you, Ayush.
Okay, we'll take up a few questions. A lot
Sure.
of people
I think there was this one question where someone asked me if I've done theatre or anything related to acting before.
I'll find that question. Before that, you can answer if Flames is coming, when it is coming.
Flames is Flames 3. I don't know when is it coming because we haven't shot yet, and I don't know if the script is ready yet. It is coming for sure. We were planning to go on floors this year, but lockdown की वजह से अब पता नहीं कब होगा. So I'm hoping as soon as possible. That's what I'm hoping for.
Everyone's hoping for that. Which is your favorite web series that you did?
That I did? For me, I think it would be Lakho Mein Ek.
Okay, I found that question. Did you ever did any theatre and you are still doing that?
Yeah.
If not, so what you did for your daily practice?
So that is a very good question, and so I don't know my process. Like even if I know it subconsciously. I can't really talk about it because I won't be able to articulate it. But I've not. First, to answer your question, I haven't done theatre yet. I've only done plays in school, but I really wish to do theatre someday. It is a different experience and it really helps you as an actor. So if you want to do theatre, you can, please do theatre. You'll learn a lot. And what I do for my to brush up my skills, it is really different. I observe a lot. I watch a lot of movies. I observe the actors. I observe my favorite actors, how they perform a particular scene. अगर मुझे कोई scene पसंद आता है, मतलब if I'm watching something, and this is a con also because I can't really enjoy a film because sometimes when I'm watching a film I get too analytical. So if supposedly an actor is performing a scene and I really like him or her, I really delve into how they're giving each and every expression. And if I like something, I rewind it, watch it 10 times and see whatever, and then I watch their interviews, find how they did that scene or whatever. So that is one way. I take a lot from my memories and the emotions that I've experienced in life. So that is one thing. And that's
like
and a lot of other stuff.
Practical way, like that's a really nice answer.
Could be. I mean, these are a few things that I do.
Okay, Ishit has asked, what would you choose? Season 1 or season 2?
Ooh, Flame season 1 or season 2? Um, I think I'd choose season 1.
Yeah, I think
Hannah,
everyone would.
because yeah, that's where it all began, and yeah, I think yeah, season 1.
Garg Priyank has asked, "Are you making a web series in this lockdown?"
Hi, Gareth Priyank. I'm not making a web series because actually you need a team for that. It's really difficult to make a web series on your own at home. But I am doing a few videos with different people. I just shot a video for Film Copy. Ehsas or Tanya? Oof. This is a tough one. I can't choose. Um, I think Tanya, yeah, I choose Tanya because I've spent more time with her. So I think we share a deeper bond. But yeah.
Vaibhav Gautam has asked, "How do you apply for ad jobs?"
Hi, Weber. You don't really apply. You have to go and give auditions. Talk to as many people as you can, make a network, and just keep working on your craft and keep giving as many auditions as you can till you crack it. फेसबुक पे पेजेस हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो डालते रहते हैं कि आप कहाँ जाके ऑडिशन दे सकते हो अगर आप मुंबई से हो तो यू शुड गो आउट एंड गिव एज मेनी ऑडिशंस. कोई शर्म मत करना, कोई डरना मत, नर्वस मत होना. जस्ट गो एंड आस्क देम इफ यू फिट अपना बेस्ट दो. एंड अगर if you fit with the director also, you get selected, and yeah, that's how you do it.
Okay. Not another casual being has. It's not a question. It's just a request. He said, "Post more covers. You're so good at it."
Hey, thank you. Not as a casual being. Thank you so much. I will for sure. And yeah, actually, yeah, I will. I will in the coming week.
Okay. Last question I'll take is, how do you do difficult characters? How do you dwell into them?
How do I do difficult characters? Yeah, Jay, I don't difficult character. ऐसा कुछ I don't think ऐसा कुछ होता है. A character is a character. You have to. Difficult is when you haven't had that experience. That is when it is difficult for you. But hi Revati, you are my favorite actor. No, you are my favorite actor, Revati, and I'm looking out for Kota Factory too. So yeah. So I was saying. So yeah, I just how I start the process is first I read the script. I take the inputs of the director, what he feels about the character, what he feels he or she should be like, and I just read the script over and over. I use music a lot, and I again use my memories, my emotional bank, and this might sound a little weird, but sometimes I purposely do things in life that purposely cause me pain or make me feel happy. So in order to play a character. So I don't think if it's the best way to do it, but that's something I do. So yeah.
Okay. I won't take any more questions because there are a lot of many questions and I have to let you go in so few time minutes. So also fitness is like something a lot of people are talking about. Like Abhi Aisha said that military wala. So any tips for everyone who's watching like and want to take care of their bodies right now during lockdown?
Take care of the bodies. I think you just. So I used to suck at it. I'm a big foodie and I still am. But I'm doing this for a particular project that I'll be doing once this lockdown ends. But in order to take good care of your body, just eat right. Avoid processed food. Avoid sugar if you can. I had stopped sugar for 2.5 months, and sleep well, work out. Take one day at a time. You won't see the results immediately, but keep at it, and eventually you'll get there. And once you see the results, it'll become like an addiction. It is a good addiction to have. So yeah, just take one day at a time and just keep at it. There's no shortcut.
Okay, thank you for that lovely answer. Lastly, if you have any messages for everyone who joined the live.
Any message? First of all, thank you everyone for joining in. I just want to thank them all for giving me so much love over these years and appreciating my work. Um, I think this is my biggest reward, the message that you guys give, and it just makes my day. It just keeps me motivated and makes me feel that I need to do better every day. So thank you so much. And in fact, even when I'm on days when I feel low, I read your messages and it makes me feel amazing. So, so I owe it all to you guys. And yeah, just take care, be safe, stay at home. Um, Try developing a new hobby in this lockdown. Turn the tables in your favor and just come out as a better version of yourself. That's all I'd like to say.
Thank you so much for this lovely interview. We're looking forward to all those projects that we've not talked about much. Music video, and I hope to see you soon in person as well.
Thank you, Ananya. I really hope to see you soon.
Okay, thank you so much. And
take care. It was lovely chatting with you. It was lovely chatting with you, I said. Take care.
Same, likewise. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ritik, for you guys, if you've enjoyed the live, thank you for joining the live. You can check the live if you've missed any parts. We'll be saving it on the IGTV and we'll be uploading this on YouTube as well. So you can always go back, check any parts you've missed. We've given a lot of tips for acting also. So you can check that. He's talked about his projects. So yeah, thank you guys for joining the live. Thank you for all the support that you've been giving us as well. And take care and come back for other lives as well. Bye-bye.